I came to Legendary mostly because I knew one of the technicians, Ben. He's a really honest guy and he's always been very upfront with me, so I knew he was going to come work at a place that was going to be the same way. I had a lot of really negative experiences with other auto shops in the past, just taking advantage of me, really just telling me, oh, you need X, Y, and Z done, and I really didn't need it done. And that was proof when I came here and I had the same things looked at, and they're like, no, like, you don't need this done for another 5,000 miles or another 10,000 miles. And I moved away for a year, and there was a time where an auto shop where I moved to was definitely taking advantage of me. And I had called Ben, and he even called the shop and told them like what they were doing wrong and what they needed to do to my car. And they ended up handling it and like getting it fixed the way it needed to be, rather than me spending an exorbitant amount of money on something that just like we didn't need to get done. So,
awesome.
Yeah.
And what about, what is it that stands out to you, about Legendary Automotive?
I can honestly say I've never had a bad experience here. Everybody's just super friendly when you walk in the door. Really good communication throughout it. From the time you walk in, they tell you, okay, this is about how long it'll take. If it does take longer, they're really upfront with you. You're never questioning what's going on with your vehicle. If there are any problems, they tell you up front, but they're really good about just making sure, like, when it needs to get done. Like, oh, does this need to happen today, or can you wait 6 months, or can it wait till your next oil change, or whatever it is.
Awesome, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. And then if, because obviously we had talked about there's, people out there that are like having these bad experiences and they're just hoping that when they come, they find a place and they come through the door. What would you have to say to somebody out there right now that is really struggling to find someone that they can trust, to help them with the problems that they're having with their car, maintenance or otherwise?
Come to Legendary. There's literally no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Get your butt here, talk to them about whatever issues you're having, whether you just need a routine oil change, you're having more severe issues with your vehicle. The guys here really know what they're doing. They do their research, they make sure that you're getting the best deal possible and really putting your needs first. I wouldn't go anywhere else.